Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I've got something kind of interesting to tell you about today. This is the Bio Bidet. When I was first presented the idea of a bidet, I was like, yeah, I don't think so. But it's actually won me over. My favorite feature by far is the heated seat. I mean, you sit down and your tush is nice and comfy. Can't beat that. In fact, whenever we go somewhere else, I'm always like, where's the heated seat here? So that's pretty cool. But it's also a great bidet. It's got lots of options. You've got your bidet, wash, turbo. You can change the water pressure, the nozzle position, and you've got different options for your heated seat. You can make it really hot or just a little warm, and you get hot water. So you can change the temperature for your hot water as well. And there is a self nozzle cleaning. So that really helps for feeling sanitary when you're using your bidet. Overall, if you're thinking about becoming a bidet convert, I highly recommend looking into this one. It actually is really good, and me and my husband both really like it. So that is my point of view.